Air mode activated. Time to fuck this shit up.
So as you can tell, another windy day. So seems to be the way to go. Wind is coming directly from that direction, from that tree. I'm sure it's that tree. What we've done here is we've made a little FPV unit. So all I've done is got one of those little GoPro-y type camera cases so I can mount on there. I've put one of those really old square boxy steely type FPV cameras in there. It just holds a little 12-volt battery in there, and I've just stuck the FPV transmitter outside so you can sort of see what's going on there. So the whole idea is, so that is the FPV unit there. We'll just have a quick look at that. It's a case. As I said, it's a little case, and what I did is I'll pull the battery out so you can see it. Now I may not get to fly it because it's a bit too windy, but that's just one of those big chunky cameras. Stuck it up hard up against the lens there, put some hot glue in there, drilled a 7mm hole in the back there, double-sided this on at the angle so it could still, you can still sort of open it and clear the bottom of the fuselage, and you've got enough cable there. These little 180 milliamp hour batteries, stick that in there. It fits nice and snug. Pop that to that, and then yeah, you just shut him up and clip that on, and there you have your little backpack. Now that works really good. So what I've done with my motor mount here to take out the jello effect is I've put some of this sort of spongy type foam that you get when you buy an FPV transmitter. Put that in there, and it's just cable tied on, so it just takes out that vibration out of that, because I had that hard up against that and you got all the vibration, plus it drops it down a little bit. Now what I've also done, and I haven't printed it off yet, but I've made or designed up another one of these, but to come out an extra 50mm, so it's going to be a lot wider. I've actually increased the thickness of it by 3mm because I think if it comes out wider it may tend to snap in the center there, which wouldn't be good. So yeah, the whole idea is to get a couple of cameras mounted on that. So I'll print that off and see how that goes. Pick up those same holes, that's the same, but there's just another mount for a camera here, another mount for a camera there. We got, I don't think it's going to take much to get up in the air, to be honest. Didn't take much at all, did it? Just about vertical takeoff and land, I'd say.
81 dB. 76 dB. 72 dB. 79 dB. 91 dB.
How was that?